Hello students, welcome back in a new session. Hello students, today we will discuss precedence of operators. It is also called as priority of operators. In Python, operators are executed based on the priority or precedence. So, precedence of operators are used to evaluate expressions. Now, the question will arise here, what is expression? Expression is the combination of operators and operands. For example, a plus b. Here, a and b are the variables and or operands, and plus is the operator. Now, let's take a view of all the precedence of operators. These all are the operators, precedence of operators, and their sequence is very important. This sequence is used in the standard operations of the variables. So here we have parenthesis, exponential operator, bitwise complement operator, multiplication, division, modulo, floating, addition, subtraction, left shift, right shift, bitwise and, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, greater than equal to, less than equals to, double equals to, and not equals to. These are the relational or comparison operator. Next is equal, plus equal, minus equal, star equal. All these are the assignment operators. Next is not. These are the identity operators. In, not in, these are the membership operators. Not and, logical not, logical and, or logical or. Let's take an example. Here we have some sample examples like 1 plus 2 modulus 3. Here, if we talk about the precedence of operators, so power comes before the plus sign. So first we calculate this, then this. So 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 becomes 8. So 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Now in this 1 plus 2 within a bracket, then after power 3. So bracket comes before the power. So first we calculate inside the brackets value. These are 3, and 3 raised to the power 3 means 27. Next is 1 plus 2 into 3. So in this multiplication comes before the plus sign. So first we multiply the value. So 2 into 3 becomes 6. Then we make a plus 1, that is 7. Now the next one is 1 plus 2 into 3. So first this will be calculated, that is 3 multiplied by 3, that is becomes 9. Now let's move to the real environment, that is our interactive mode. Here we apply the operations. 1 plus 2 power of 3 becomes 9. 1 plus 2 power 3 becomes 27. Then 1 plus 2 multiplication 3 becomes 7. And 1 plus 2 into 3 becomes 9. So all these are some basic operations of operators which we use as per the requirement. So make some practices of all the precedence of operators and write your suggestions in the comment box. You can ask any query if you have any doubts. That's all about this session. Thank you. I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.